So the trouble is you think you have time. You think that tomorrow is promised and you think that everything is going to stay the same. It's a fallacy that we have where we feel like what has been is what will be, and that's not true. Anything could happen at any time, and some of us learn this faster than others, but tomorrow is not promised. So let me help you in 60 seconds break that cycle and actually just move forward with your life. I don't know if you saw that experiment what they did with horses, where basically they had an electric fence around the horse. And so the horse would try to move and they would get shocked. And then so eventually the horse learned to stay in its place, basically. So even after they removed the electric fence, the horse just didn't move. And this is the problem. You have invisible electric fences that have been all around you, either through the conscious words of people, the unconscious words of people, societal messaging, what you've been through, not even what you've been through, but how you interpreted what you've been through in your life. And now you're like this. You know, you want to move forward, you're in your head and you want to move forward, but you can't. So here's how we break that. Something I call the pizza walk. Okay. And I've done this with my clients. It is so scary at first, but they do it. And then it's just like, boom, light bulb goes off and they realize, oh my gosh, I've been limiting myself in so many ways. So here's what you're going to do. You are going to choose one place to go in and make an unreasonable request. You're, for example, going to go to McDonald's and ask them if they can give you a gourmet steak. And the person is going to look at you like you're crazy and probably say, we don't serve that here. You'll say, okay, thank you. And you'll move. Or you'll go to a toy store and ask them if they sell real cars. Like you're just going to go to some place, big or small, and just make a completely unreasonable request. And the reason why you're going to do this is, number one, you're going to realize that the world does not fall apart. This is going to free you from the trap of caring about what other people think, which is truly what's been holding you back. Even if other people is also you, okay? This is what's been holding you back because you've been trying to plan out the perfect scheme so that you don't fail, so that you don't look stupid, so that you don't, make a fool of yourself. But the issue is you're going to make mistakes and it's fine. Failing faster is what success is made of. And the people who you're worried about don't really care. And so this is an exercise that's going to help you realize people don't really care. Right? In that way, people don't care about what you're holding yourself back from as much as you are. So you're just this is the challenge. Just go to some place, go to an auto parts store, and then ask them for a sandwich. Like just go do something. Go to a place that you just know the request is going to be unreasonable and the person is going to be like, what? And do it. And what this is going to do is, number one, it's going to get you in the habit of opening up your mouth. It's going to break you out of that electric fence of trying to be proper and trying to be perfect. It's going to break you out of that fear of making mistakes. It's going to break you out of that fear of looking stupid, because you will look stupid when you do this. And you're going to realize, I look stupid. I felt stupid for like 5 seconds and I survived. And then you're going to take that feeling and realize that as you move forward with your goals, you will have many times where you feel that way. And it's okay. You will survive and you will move forward and you will become more confident and more courageous because you're not staying in that little electric fence anymore. So break out of your comfort zone. This takes less than 60 seconds to do. You're not hurting anyone. No one's going to call the police on you because you made an unreasonable request. Just go do it and know that that same feeling of being kind of out there is the same feeling it's going to take to reach your next level. And this is a great challenge to do at least maybe once a quarter or at least once a year. People can think what they want to think. I can still speak up and I can still do what I need to do. So I hope that helps you. Take the pizza walk, go do it. Let me know your results below, how you feel afterwards, how you felt going into it. All the emotions are going to come up for you, I'm sure, but you got this. See you in the next video.